Jesus told us that the thief does not come except to steal, kill, and destroy. And every one of us know there is a thief. His name is Satan. He is the chief among the fallen angels, and his goal is to destroy us as believers, to steal from us, to kill, and even destroy our life and our witness and our testimony. I am so excited about this new series, Free Indeed. I have been excited about this series for months now. I'm excited because God is showing me some very specific ways where Satan the thief comes in, the Bible says, some other way. He's looking for an open door or an open window. I was just talking to some of the other pastors today, and I heard a statement where someone said, I'm not ready to file for divorce yet. And I said, we need to help that guy, because when he made that statement, that word yet is like the cracking of the door. I'm not ready to file yet. And I think he's just opening the door just a little bit. And if we open the door just a little bit, Satan is going to come in. I heard someone else say one time, I would never leave my wife except for this. Again, I think we're giving the enemy just a little bit of ground. And I don't want to give him any ground. And any ground that I have given him, I want to take back. I want to encourage you, come this week. Come as we go through this new series, Free Indeed, because I believe that he whom the Son sets free is free indeed.